Welcome po sa Learn to Swim Tips. I'm Coach Nato. So ituturo ko lang po yung fast and basic swim. So first, kailangan nyo po matutunan muna ang proper breathing. So ang una po nating step doon is using your nose, blowing, then mouth for breathing. Okay? Exhale, inhale, or inhale, exhale. So first, bago kayo matuto start mag-swim, kailangan po nito. Kung tawagin po siya is bubbles. Sounds corny pero very important sa lahat ng strokes and swimming. So, ito na po. Okay? Kailangan po lagi may goggles. Alright? Lagi yung ihanda pag nagle-learn to swim kayo. So first yung bubbles. First the exhale. Then inhale. Exhale. Inhale. So gagawin niyo po yan every time kayong napapagod or start ng swim. So ma-exercise po yung inner lungs nyo dahil wala pong exercise yan. Ito lang po ang pinaka best exercise, and doing bubbles every time you swim. Okay, at least 10 po ang i-accomplish nyo para mas refresh yung breathing nyo. Alright, so again, kumpletuhin natin ng 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay po. So pag nagawa niyo po yan, marunong na kayo mag-bubbles. Okay?